What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the fan assembly on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take this cover off, just grab underneath, lift up, slide it forward. I'm gonna take a straight blade screwdriver, just loosen up these worm clamps. One right here, and then one right here on the throttle body. I'm gonna take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, take these two bolts out. Just remove this hose right here. This is going to be loose. Disconnect it right here. Just slide it out. There. And there's a connector right here. We want to disconnect that connector. Just slide this off. I'm going to pull this top of the airbox off. Just pull this hose off first. Right there. And then there's some clips. Unclip it. There and right there. Pull this off, pull the air filter off, set it aside. Just grab the air box, the lower part, and lift up. Should pull out. Some tabs that hold it on the bottom. Make sure those little grommets stayed in there. Just gonna disconnect this hose right here. Just grab it, twist. Take this trim tool, there's a little clip right here, a little push retainer. Push down, slide that retainer out. And we can grab the reservoir, just slide it up. Pull it up. Disconnect this connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide it off. Take a trim tool. We're going to pull these retainers out. Just like that. And with those retainers out, just slide this off. Slide that out of the way. I'm going to use a 8mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to take this bolt out here and the same on the other side over there. Now I can grab this fan assembly, just slide it up, and pull it out. Take the fan, slide this in position. There's some feet down below it slides into. Make sure it's in those feet on both sides. So that's good. And we can put the bolts back in. Right, now I'll take these bolts, get these started. Take a 8mm socket and a ratchet. Before I tighten that one down and get the other one started. right, and I'm gonna snug these down. All right, now we're gonna connect this connector right here. Lock it in place. This cover is gonna go over here. Just gonna slide underneath there. Slide underneath there. Line these push pins up. Lock them in place. Take the coolant reservoir. There's a little tab that it's going to slide into. So on the back side right here, it's going to slide on the hole where the fan shroud is. Line that up like that. Then take this hose and put that on the top of the radiator. And we're just going to push this push retainer back in, line that up, lock it in place. All right, we'll take this air box. Want to make sure those tabs line up with those grommets. And we'll just push it down, lock it in place. Take the air filter, put that on. Take the upper air box. We're gonna install this hose. That lined up, and we can lock it in place. All right, now we want to put this snorkel on. Connect this intake temperature sensor. Lock it in place. Slide it in position. Oh, I have the 2 bolts right here. Just get those to line up. As long as these are on properly, then I'll tighten these 2 down. Just use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. And then we'll slide this hose in position. This goes over to the coolant reservoir. I'm going to tighten up these 2 worm clamps. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, tighten them up. That's good. That one's good. Take this engine cover, just slide it in position. And push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.